A lot of my clients these days are perfectionists, not the one that is good or that we admire, or the one that sounds like I can do better or I want to do better. In fact, the one that sounds more like this, that if I don't do good or if I'm not the best, I will not be loved or valued enough. This is not a strength, it is so conditional, and in fact it takes you into an emotional survival where your brain does not rest or relax. It's constantly rethinking, reevaluating, overthinking, and eventually leads to a lot of procrastination. Now there are a lot of psychological theories that talk about the root of perfection, and I'd like to talk about attachment theory today. According to attachment theory, perfection is rooted into your childhood. Because while a child is growing up, he's completely dependent on his parents for his emotional survival and physical needs. So if a child is brought up in a healthy environment where parents get along well, families get along well, financial condition is good enough, naturally, the parents have the time to see, comfort, pay attention on the child, appreciate the child, and the child develops a secure attachment where the child feels that I'm safe, I'm worthy, and I can rely on others. But if a child is brought up in a very unhealthy environment where his parents, husband and wife, do not get along, there are a lot of fights, a lot of family disturbances around property or even finances, the parents are so absorbed and troubled by their own challenges that they do not have the time to pay attention on the child, appreciate his or her small wins, comfort the child, value the child, or make the child feel worthy enough. And that is when the child develops a very insecure attachment and very conditional, where the child starts thinking that unless I do something very good or unless I'm perfect, only then will I get attention from my parents. Now you may think that it's a strength, but it isn't, because it takes you into a survival mode where everything that you do is never good enough for yourself. It has to be good enough for others, for you to be validated and appreciated. Right, and this is where you go into an overthinking perfectionist loop, which is rethinking, thinking, reevaluating, and eventually a lot of procrastination. So if this was a relatable theory for your perfectionism, please comment attachment, and I'll share an infographic for better understanding of this, and wait for my next video where I will share few more such theories which are the root for your perfection.